Photowalks TV is brought to you by Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy.
Merry Christmas from Osaka.
A brief word from our sponsor, Paul's Photo. If you're in the Los Angeles area or online, check out the retail store in Torrance or at paulsphoto.com. Paul's is a full-service camera shop. It develops film and makes prints, has educational classes, and I can't thank Paul's enough for its support.
We Japanese accept all of religion.
The older generations aren't doing it. They're not really exchanging presents, but the young people have really caught on to it. It is really big among younger generations, and it's really celebrated.
Celebrated here even though it's a Western tradition.
Yep, but they like, I don't know, like they like to celebrate Christmas. Not religious way, it's just, to have fun. I think Christmas is fun thing to do in December 24th, 25th, yep.
Merry Christmas from Osaka.